YouTube. Right, so we got this bit. I've glued it together. It's very flimsy at the moment, but we're going to strengthen that up. But I like Gothic arches because they can do slim, but they're also quite strong, which is why they were used in cathedrals. Anyway, I want to put a thing like that on there. See that? So I'm going to use this bit of scrap chair leg and just put that on there. Okay. Yes, it will. Doesn't have to be accurate. Yeah, I'll do. It's supposed to look organic anyway. But yes. Now what I need to do is I need to do 4 slots at this width, which is going to be fun. I have no idea how to do it. So what we're going to do is find the centre. How do we find the centre? Let's think about that one. I'll think about that one. I'll put this, take this, and there's a little line on there, and I put it on there and I line it up. It's 30mm. 30mm, 15mm. So apparently I put this at 15 and it should be at half. It's not. Idea. Right, turn it over. That's better. Brilliant. Yes. It looks messy, but I think it'll do the job. Now I've got to get them out. I could drill them out. It's that line there, it's that gap. That's perfect. Just there. Right. So you can see, here's the file. On the inside, which just happens to be the right thickness anyway, but it's on there. I'm not going to push it any further because I need to get it off. I don't want it to lock in there yet. I've made it a little bit long on the things here is so I can bind it at the bottom. With this happy accident, it makes it a lot easier to get on and off. And yeah, there are gaps, but it's going to be bound at the bottom, bound at the top. You'll hide all this mess, and I've just got to work on the top now. So it's done. I was going to do something with this beforehand, then I had an idea. I like it, so I'm going to go with it. I just need to basically glue and slot that on, and hopefully it should be tight. Hopefully. I'm using epoxy resin. It's cheap stuff, and I've got lots of it. And yes, this is my epoxy board. What we're going to do? Come on off. Basically paint up here, lots of it. Doesn't matter about drips. There we go. I'm going to take this, shove it in there. Hopefully this will make it easier to slide on. I could use wood glue, but it takes so long to actually set. Let's see if we can do this. We got it, it's fine. Now I need to push that in. Can I bring you up? Yeah, I can. There we go. Hey, that's worked. That's worked. So yeah, it's on. And this is all going to be hidden. You're not going to see it. This is going to be bound up with string and glue, and so that should keep all that in place. The glue should do that anyway. But yeah, so that bit done. Wait for that to dry and I can do the next bit. Hello. Right then. So we've got this, and I had to make a second one because the first one split, and as you can see it's a bit messy, but it'll clean out. And I've glued it, and this is a super glue method of string just there, so basically this is not coming out. Now I've measured it, that this was approximately 8 by 8 square, approximately, because these move. So I made an 8 by 8 square piece, which is as square as I can get it. And then what I did is I took the bits and I basically just marked a slot, which I've now got to cut out. That's going to be fun. That's what the bandsaw's for. Right, it's a bit messy, but I know. I'm going to drill a bit that's just ever so slightly, or about bang on with the width of the wood. That's the legs. So pop that in there. There we go. So, I want to do dead on the line there. Yeah, dead on the line there. Yeah, it's just minor, not going to matter, it's not going to be cut out anyway. The width of the there we go. So it's not perfect, but you can see there's a gap there, and I can file these to a good fit. There's a reason I wanted to do this. Hopefully this will sort of work. I think it's going to work. I think it's going to work. Now I've just got to glue these into position. Glue them in position. That should do it. That's our basic structure. And we just have to work on strengthening it, which is going to be fun. So I'll glue this and tidy it up. I'll see you for the next bit. Goodbye, YouTube.